Teleflex Incorporated in Wyomissing, Pennsylvania is a new 53,000 square foot medical products manufacturing facility. Radius Systems was selected as their building automation integrator due to our experience and track record with critical controls necessary for pharmaceutical engineering and testing. We had an opportunity to sit down with Fran Kiedeisch, Senior Regional Facility Manager for Teleflex, to talk about Automated Logic WebCTRL and his overall experience with Radius Systems.
Yeah, so I use WebCTRL a lot. I find it to be a lot more user-friendly than that of other systems that are out there. The graphics package in itself is far superior. It allows me to understand what's going on with the system and with the entire building at literally just a quick view of the screen without going page by page by page and looking into details and trying to interpret numbers. The graphics indeed resolves all those concerns. When we first moved into the building, we had a lot of questions, and I literally was emailing or calling Nolan on a daily basis, as well as the other individual who backs me up. And Nolan was patient with us. He took the time to explain the system, explain how it works. He came on site multiple times, took us through the different screens on the software package to make sure that we had a full understanding of our system. And that has continued to this day, where we have follow-up questions and we have things that we want to do to improve upon our system. And again, the engineering team, it's never a bother for them to respond to me. Yeah, we've actually expanded upon the original system multiple times. We added automation to our blinds that allow us to, at a certain time of day, set the blinds at a different level. Additionally, the UV system that we added is fully integrated into our HVAC unit. We also added remote monitoring for our warehouse, which is about 5 miles away, and that allows us to monitor temperatures and humidity at 4 different locations within the warehouse. So everyone has been a great experience, both from an engineering perspective as well as from the sales perspective as well as service. I would clearly recommend Radius System to my colleagues throughout the industry as well as for other Teleflex locations. Reason being is the complete service that I've received from through the construction phase, through installation, and after the installation, the service have all been top-notch.